Alright, here's the bike button. Let's press it. Here's your timer.
Okay, get out of the road. You're really close to the road.
Get ready. See if we can get another green light.
Okay, it's going to do this one now.
Another omnibus pedestrian signal. That's a really short light. Did it again.
That's it. No more button pushing. Nope, no.
I don't want to press it.
No, because you're going to interrupt the flow of traffic. Okay?
I think it's going to get... Let's push this button again.
Okay, get over here.
Let's get ready for this. I hope it will pop.
Slow down.
I think it will pop. It might say bike signal activated.
Yep.
This one might...
I think it just turns on the crosswalk.
Let's do this button as well.
Well, you did it. You already did it.
This is a button that does the other light, though. This button does the other light. If this button does the other light, we can do another one. But look at how this one does.
There you go.
We might do it twice, so let's press the button again.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Luke, stop. Okay,
Let's do this one again. I want to do this one.
Yeah, that's all the traffic signals, okay?
Let's press.
It's doing it now, so it's time to go.
Let's watch this one count down and do it twice. See if it does it twice this time. 5, 4. I don't think you can see the timer.
Go.
7, 6.
These people don't want to wait here all day.
2, 1, 0.
Okay.
It's gonna do this one now.
Yep.
At least I think it is. Let's watch. Wait for the green light up here. This one.
Okay.
Wait for the green light. Let's hope it's gonna go red. I think it is going red right at this moment. I hope we get the yellow light.
Here it comes.
I pressed the head button this time. There's no bike. There's your timer. Counting it. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,